Kids were very enthusiastic, and we started.
Check it out. Okay, yeah.
So finally, all the ventilator parts were printed as per the design given. Then we tried to make some mask also. So designing was in SolidWorks, and then we printed it also.
Yeah, we have the first part here. First part ready by 3D printer, 3D printing. It's the name of the company. Okay.
Then we tried to make face shield frame, designing in SolidWorks, and then mask buckle, again designing in SolidWorks, and then we printed it also here, but it was not of desired quality, maybe because of the material PLA, and with technique also we were using FDM with stereolithography and laser sintering. I believe it can improve a lot.